Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. So the order of the day is I'm going to open my advent calendar from Beyond the Pink Door. Then I have a notion to share with you and a tiny little sewing update. I did not get a lot of sewing done last night or yesterday because I was so tired. I was stupid tired. Today I'm wearing the Miette skirt by Tilling the Buttons. Love this skirt. I sewed it in a Moda fabric. Every time I wear it, it makes me happy. So let's get on with the Beyond the Pink Door advent calendar. So today's day 8. And like I said before, I don't go through the night before and put the little gift on top because I just don't want to spoil the surprise. Sometimes I can kind of feel what it is. Ooh, there's a big one. All right. Day 8, where are you? There it is. Day 8. I'm wondering if this is what is smelling so delicious. It's really cute. 8 and a little snowman. If I paid attention to the sticker on the 6, I would have seen it had a penguin on it. This is what smells lovely. This is Wax Hero. It's one of those wax melts. Orange cinnamon. They're little Christmassy shapes. It smells so good. Now, I will admit that when I have gone into places that have sold wax melts, it's been so overpowering that I thought I wouldn't want one. But smelling this, it smells like a high-end candle. And I just might need to get a wax melt. Though I have a sneaking suspicion my sister Brenda has one, so I might borrow hers. So that was today's gift. Thank you, Andrea. And on to the notion. I saw this on Lauren's channel, Guthrie and Ghani channel, and I thought I would give it a try. This is called Prim Forming Tape. So instead of doing a stay stitch, or if you want to give it a little extra stability as well as the effect of a stay stitch, you iron this on. And I used this last night for the first time on my Romy dress. And I'll insert a photo here. I don't want to hold it up and show it to you because I don't want to overhandle that rayon fabric and have it grow on me before I get around to sewing it. So this went on super easy and very easy to apply. It was very quick. Now stay stitching is quick as well, but I think this was a little faster, and I will report back as to how I feel it works after I've sewn up the garment. I will say I had trouble finding it. I tried looking here in the States for this, and I searched under several combinations of wording, and I couldn't find it. So if you know of a source in the US, can you hit us up below? I ordered this from Minerva, and I thought, well, let me just try it first. So I just ordered 1 pack. And I can say I'll be reordering more. I really liked how it went on. Even though I've not sewn the dress up, I think I'm really gonna like this. Today's a work day. I wanna get a couple of things done before work. So I'm going to go ahead and sign off now, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.